Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Current Affairs for You. So now we will discuss about Gangetic Dolphin Safari. Many of us know the national animal of India, that is Royal Bengal Tiger, but we don't know our national aquatic. So today we will discuss about our national aquatic animal, nothing but dolphin. So let's start. So the scientific name of Gangetic dolphin is Platanista gangetica. Platanista gangetica. I already told you national aquatic animal of India is dolphin. And now it is an endangered species. Endangered species means which is going to extinct. Means it is going to be nowhere on the land. So who decides which animal is endangered and which animal is extinct? It is done by IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. International Union for Conservation of Nature. Gangetic dolphins live in only fresh water and they are blind. So it's really amazing that these are blind. And how do they catch their prey? They will catch their prey by using ultrasonic waves. So when they listen to the sound, they will catch the prey. So Gangetic dolphins live in fresh water and they are blind. National Mission for Clean Ganga (NMCG) has recently launched and something called Dolphin Jalaj Safari. So safari is nothing but now the tourists can also watch these dolphins by going near to them in boats. And this is launched at 6 different places. 4 in Uttar Pradesh, 1 in West Bengal and 1 is in Bihar. So in Uttar Pradesh, Prayagraj, Brijghat, Bijnor, Varanasi are the places, and in West Bengal, Bandel and Kahalgaon in Bihar. So the main aim is to increase the number of dolphins which are in our country. So as per the survey, it is shown that the dolphins are more than 3000 in our country. So you just remember these 6 places: Prayagraj, Brijghat, Bijnor, Varanasi in UP, and Bandel in West Bengal, and Kahalgaon in Bihar. So the name is Dolphin Jalaj Safari. Gangetic Dolphin Day is observed on October 5th, and there is something called Ganga Praharis. Ganga Praharis are the people who are trained to take the visitor to the dolphin. So now I already told you, now we can visit the dolphin very nearly. There should be someone who can stop us. Those are Ganga Praharis. They will take us very near to the dolphin and they will tell, I mean just they are just like guides. They are just like the guides and they are trained. And there is a campaign which is started by Jal Shakti Minister, and the name of the campaign is My Ganga, My Dolphin. And this campaign launched by NMCG and Forest Department, National Mission for Clean Ganga and Forest Department both together launched a campaign, and the name of the campaign is My Ganga, My Dolphin. And I already told you this is launched by our Jal Shakti Minister, who is Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, congratulated the nation and informed that the population of the Gangetic dolphins has increased in recent years. He also appealed to the people to join the dolphin conservation campaign while emphasizing the importance of biodiversity in the rejuvenation of the river Ganga. So he told that to increase the number of dolphins, people also should take care of this. To increase the number of dolphins, dolphin sanctuary has been constructed in Bhagalpur district of Bihar in India, and the name of it is Vikramshila Gangetic Dolphin Sanctuary. And National Dolphin Research Center (NDRC), India's and Asia's first. This is very much important. India's and Asia's first National Dolphin Research Center is going to be in Patna. This is our first NDRC research center about dolphins.